Hey everyone, welcome back. In 2023, I made a video about the 6 best Linux-based mobile operating systems. So here we are, February 2026, and the Linux mobile world has seriously leveled up. Just 7 days ago, Ubuntu Touch released OTA 12. Sailfish OS is closing in on nearly 10,000 pre-orders for its brand new 2026 phone. Postmarket OS now supports more than 720 devices. This space is no longer experimental, it's evolving fast. Today, I'm giving you the definitive 2026 ranking of the 6 best Linux mobile operating systems you can actually install and use right now. Let's dive in. Taking the number one spot again in 2026 is Ubuntu Touch, developed by the UB Ports community. It remains the easiest and most recommended Linux mobile OS for most people. On February 19th, just 7 days ago, Ubuntu Touch 24.04-1.2 with OTA-12 was released, showing how actively maintained and current this project is. It officially supports more than 31 devices, and several of them are genuinely daily driver ready. The Fairphone 5 stands out right now for battery life and camera support. The Jolla Phone, Quintus and Jolla Phone 22 are excellent options if you want Linux pre-installed directly from the factory. Devices like the PinePhone Pro and older Google Pixel models such as the 3A, 4 and 5A are also supported for users who enjoy installing the OS themselves. What makes Ubuntu Touch shine in 2026 is its stability and polish. Weekly OTA updates keep things secure and fresh. Convergence is excellent. You can connect your phone to a monitor and use it like a desktop computer. Waydroid's support for Android apps has improved significantly, making it far more practical for everyday use. VoLTE and call stability on supported devices like the Fairphone and Jolla phones are now reliable enough for regular daily communication. If you want something that works smoothly without constant tinkering, Ubuntu Touch remains the safest recommendation. At number 2 is Sailfish OS, and arguably the biggest story of 2026. Sailfish OS 5 continues to offer one of the smoothest and most beautiful gesture-based interfaces in the mobile world. The experience feels refined, fluid, and uniquely different from Android or iOS. What makes this year especially exciting is the brand new Jolla Phone 2026. Jolla opened pre-orders and quickly approached nearly 10,000 orders, with the pre-order deadline set for February 28th and shipping expected mid-2026. The hardware specifications are impressive for a Linux phone, featuring a 6.36-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a MediaTek Dimensity 5G chipset, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage with microSD expansion, and even a user-replaceable battery. Sailfish OS 5 comes pre-installed out of the box. Android app support remains strong, which makes Sailfish practical in real-world use. For the first time in years, you can buy a modern-looking flagship device that runs a Linux-based operating system without needing to flash anything yourself. If you want a polished and premium Linux phone that feels ready for mainstream use, Sailfish OS paired with the new Jolla phone is one of the most exciting developments of 2026. In third place is Postmarket OS, the ultimate choice for tinkerers and power users. Based on Alpine Linux, its latest stable release came in December 2025, and the project now supports more than 723 devices. That level of device compatibility is remarkable and continues to grow rapidly. Postmarket OS gives you full flexibility over your mobile experience. You can choose between user interfaces like Plasma Mobile, Phosh, Sway, GNOME, and more. Mainline kernel support is advancing quickly, especially for devices such as the Fairphone and PinePhone series. One of the project's long-term goals is extended device longevity, aiming for up to 10 years of support for smartphones. If you want a true Linux computer in your pocket, something you can customize deeply, experiment with, and maintain for years, Postmarket OS is unmatched in openness and flexibility. Coming in at number 4 is Plasma Mobile, powered by KDE Plasma 6. This is easily one of the most visually impressive Linux mobile environments available today. It runs on distributions such as Postmarket OS, Manjaro ARM, and Fedora, and recent updates like Plasma 6.6 have significantly refined the mobile shell. Plasma Mobile emphasizes customization and visual polish. Widgets, themes, native Linux desktop applications, and smooth convergence features make it feel like a compact desktop environment adapted beautifully for mobile hardware. If personalization and aesthetics matter to you and you enjoy shaping every detail of your interface, Plasma Mobile delivers a highly satisfying experience in 2026. In fifth place is Pure OS running on the Librem 5 from Purism. This platform is focused heavily on privacy and security. PureOS prioritizes free and open source software wherever possible, and the Librem 5 hardware includes physical kill switches for the camera, microphone, modem, and Wi Fi. The Crimson updates in 2026 have noticeably improved smoothness and reliability. While it may not be the most performance focused device compared to newer hardware, it stands out for its security first design philosophy. If maximum privacy, transparency, and hardware level control are your top concerns, PureOS on the Librem 5 remains a unique and powerful choice. At number 6 is Mobian, a Debian based mobile operating system using the FOSS shell. Mobian essentially brings Debian testing or stable to smartphones, providing access to one of the largest software repositories available in the Linux ecosystem. The system is stable, predictable, and familiar to anyone who already uses Debian or Ubuntu on a desktop. It continues to maintain an active community in 2026 and offers strong compatibility with a wide range of Linux packages. If you prefer a straightforward and dependable environment without dramatic interface changes, Mobian remains a solid and practical option. If you're wondering which device to choose right now, the Fairphone 5 and Jolla Phone Quintus paired with Ubuntu Touch are the easiest daily driver experiences. The new Jolla Phone 2026 with Sailfish OS offers a modern flagship-style Linux experience out of the box. The PinePhone Pro, combined with Postmarket OS or Plasma Mobile, is perfect for enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting. The Librem 5 with Pure OS is the top pick for maximum hardware level privacy. Let me know in the comments which Linux mobile OS excites you most in 2026. Are you sticking with Ubuntu Touch, waiting for the new Sailfish device, experimenting with post-market OS, or focusing on privacy with Pure OS? If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Stay free, and I'll see you in the next one.